Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by reading the Bifen It label and following safety rules. This tells you why PPE, rate, and reentry intervals matter. Put on gloves, goggles, and a respirator, and prepare a calibrated measuring cup and sprayer. Once done, inspect the treatment area for pets, people, and nearby water. Apply only when wind is low and temperatures are appropriate, because drift and evaporation reduce effectiveness and increase risk. These first steps protect you and ensure the product works as intended. You mix Bifen It exactly to label directions, because concentration determines control and safety. Measure with a marked cup, then pour into the sprayer and fill with water. Agitate to create a uniform suspension. If settling occurs, shake before each pass. Once mixed, spray consistent, overlapping swaths to avoid gaps, targeting baseboards, cracks, soil lines, and entry points where insects travel. Make sure to avoid over-application near water, and to keep people and pets away until surfaces dry. You finish by flushing and rinsing your sprayer, then store Bifen It locked and original labeled. This prevents accidental exposure and preserves product integrity. Once done, monitor treated zones for 7 to 14 days to judge effect, because some insects take time to diminish. If control is inadequate, make sure you use the correct rate, achieved full coverage, and that surfaces were dry. Resistance or improper application are common causes. Troubleshooting tip: if results are poor, avoid immediate repeat applications. Confirm diagnosis and adjust method first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.